A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment.
Good afternoon everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we'll be talking about NEO, which is a crypto I haven't covered for a very long time. But I have some, I think, interesting and valuable to you as well reasons for why I wanted to cover it today. Apart from that, it's relatively bullish. It's up 14%. Volume is up to almost $1 billion, which is a lot of money. And I think we haven't seen these. I think we haven't seen these volume levels in the last year or so, perhaps even longer. Perhaps this is well, okay. It's not the highest we've ever been. It was in April 2021 during the bull market. This is the highest in last year, and it's very high, all right? And we're actually getting to levels which we were at the beginning of, well, during the Terra Luna crash. So yeah, a lot of interesting things. And the main reason why I wanted to cover NEO is the China narrative, which some of you might have already heard about, but there's some sort of a narrative going around through the crypto markets that Chinese people are massively buying cryptos right now. And people are speculating, and people are trying to predict which coins will be very bullish. And NEO is obviously a huge Chinese coin. I think the founders are actually Chinese. I think it's actually just based in China or Hong Kong as well still. So this was an obvious bet. Now, whether it's really Chinese people buying NEO right now, or whether it's people buying NEO right now because they think Chinese people are buying, well, that is the question. I mean, you can see from the volume that there's quite a lot of Korean volume. Usually when there's quite a lot of Korean volume, I say that there's manipulation going on. In this case, I'm not sure. I don't think it's pretty much the same. And I also don't think in this case that manipulation equals bad. I still think that we could get higher than where we have gone. So for that, we have to take a look at the technicals. What you can see right now is that we found resistance at 15.5. Kind of the bottom of this bigger key area between 17.5 and 15.5 also houses the 1.618 fib, so it's a technically strong level. Now after that, as you can see, we've dropped down to this, it's not a strong support level, it's a really minor level, but it works for now. It's $14. It also houses the 236 fib. This is the essential level. This is the most important level for NEO right now. Because the big question is can we continue this rally, obviously, all right? There are some things which we are worried about. It seems a little bit inflated in terms of value. Usually it just sparks quite some paranoia when crypto rallies like these. So the big question is can we keep this up? And the main answer is yes, if we hold $14. Right now, as you can see, technically, which I'm not that happy with, but technically we've actually broken below the 236 fib. So what we would have to do if we really want to get past our main resistance right now at 15.5, which is quite a major resistance level, I have to say that. But if we want to get to our next resistance level at around 17.25 and 17.5, what we need to do is hold $14 for the next 2 days, next 48 hours. If we can do that, we'll break above 15.5 and get up to 17.2, 17.5. Do I think this is the most likely scenario? I'm not sure. I don't think so. I think it's more likely that sure, we might find some support at $14 still, but that we will not be able to hold it, and that will drop down to $13. After which we will probably also drop down to $12 and $12.5. And from there, we could actually start a second rally. So in the end, I'm still fairly bullish on NEO, but I do think that a drop right now is more likely than that we'll be able to hold these levels and get up even higher. I mean, who knows what would happen from that 12.5 level. It's a major technical level, it's a psychological level, and we got some great indicators there. So from there we could do a lot of things. I'll keep you updated on that. But for now, I do think that that drop is the most likely scenario. So that's my take on NEO for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.